Hey people, what's up? This is Kapil Shigri, final year BMS student studying at Bapuji Ayurvedic Medical College and Hospital, Shivamogga. I'm a final year student, so I know what exactly happens when in your minds during this time of the year where you are trying to get admission into any of the courses, and I know a lot of have tensions and about the admission and about the cutoff and stuff. So here it is.
So please whatever.
So the thing is, in my last vlog, I told you that I was very reluctant and lazy to write a essay. So I didn't even complete that essay, but still I somehow managed to write the essay and get the first prize in the same essay. So it was an inter-college district competition where I wrote essay on the topic adaptation of Ayurveda in day-to-day life. So in that essay, Charaka Ayurvedians Forum gave me first prize for that. Along with that, I did also participate in quiz competition, which we did not win, but this is a participation certificate for that thing. And for getting for securing first prize in essay, I got a frame of Dhanvantari. So actually I wanted this. I wanted a photo of Dhanvantari, but so I got it. Like, this is a God's grace. Along with that, I also got a textbook. This is Bhaishajya Ratnavali. So you can see inside here they have also stuck their sticker that says Charaka Ayurvedians Forum Shivamogga. So this is my first prize for writing that essay. So a lot of you have been texting me on Instagram to ask about the cutoff and other stuff about BMS. So I've already made a video on seat allotment and along with cutoff and top colleges in Karnataka. So kindly watch. I'll be linking them in the description below. And then to talk about the questions that you guys have asked in comment section. The first question is from Anirudh Deshpande. He says, "Bro, I am from Haveri and I want to join Basaveshwara BMS College Bagalkot. Do you have any info about the college? Is it fine to join them?" First of all, I know that it is a great college because I wanted to join there, but then I was allotted this college in the first round. And to learn something from this is, don't be in a hurry, don't try and jump into any college in the first round itself. Wait for the second or third round, because you never know, you'll get into better colleges. So don't try and jump into any college that you get in first round or mock round itself. So wait for the second and third rounds. That's my suggestion. Yes, it is a great college, so you can join there. It's a great college actually. And the second question is from Ashraf Ahmad. "Do you feel any interest in Ayurveda? I am feeling no interest in that just because of shloka." According to me, shlokas should not be made a compulsion, because at the end of the day, when it comes to practical things, practicality, shlokas have no meaning in order to, there is no meaning in order to learn shlokas, because you can't sit in a clinic and try and think about shlokas. It's all about understanding the concept. Okay, we are supposed to study shlokas, but it should not be a compulsion to by heart and recite the shlokas. So I think that should not be the thing, because because of that most of the people try and take a back step. So that's what I feel. And also, fun fact, I passed all the 3 years without writing shlokas. And the third question is from Ritvik Yadav. They say, "Bhaiya, which one to choose? GMC Mysore, GMC Bangalore, STM UDP? Please tell." So I have made a video saying on the topic of which college to choose, the top colleges in Karnataka. So in that I told that any government college would be great, like literally great. So don't think if it is from Mysore or Bangalore, take any college you want. To talk about the environment, you should definitely take Mysore. But if you want more exposure, then you're supposed to take Bangalore. It is not like they have competition in between them, but both the colleges are great. So SDM Udupi is also a great college, but it is not a government college. So I think I would prefer a government college over SDM Udupi. But to talk about private college, obviously I would prefer SDM now. And then Rihan Syed 786 is asking, "भैया BMS करने के बाद नेम के आगे डॉक्टर लगता है क्या? आई लिटरली लाफ्ड आफ्टर रीडिंग दिस कमेंट बिकॉज यस, हमको भी डॉक्टर बुलाते हैं. सो जब मैं एक कोर्स कंप्लीट करूँगा ऑब्वियसली मेरे नाम के आगे डॉक्टर रहेगा. सो यस, देयर विल बी डॉक्टर इन फ्रंट ऑफ योर नेम्स, सो डोंट वरी. Saili Karkaile, sorry if I pronounce it wrong. Bhaiya, can you please tell me how much % do we have to study? Have to self study? Like, do we have to do everything by ourselves? And also about reference book, how should we search them, please? So there are many questions I feel like. So how much % do we need to have self study? So whatever course it is, you're supposed to do your own study, because whatever we hear in class, it will be like most of the times it will be like a dream, or it will be very volatile subject, there will be a lot of volatility in those subjects. So I request you to study everything on your own. I mean, obviously the lecturers will cover the syllabus, but at the end of the day, during examinations, it is you who has to study all this. So I would say 100% of it should be your self study. Like, do we have to do everything by ourselves? And also about reference books, how should we search them? Like, I've also made a video on the books that I have referred and the books that you're supposed to be reading for the BMS years. So if you want to know books about second and third year, I'll also make the video on that. Please let me know in the comment section. I can't read the name because it is in Hindi. And the person is asking, bro, BMS के बाद salary कितनी मिली आपके seniors को? Yeah, to tell you about this thing, like I got a lot of comments and questions on my Instagram asking for the salary and this stuff. To those people who are asking me about salary, honestly I would say that please stop asking those things. You're not even have stepped into the field. It should not be your primary goal. Your primary goal is supposed to be treating people, but अच्छा खासा पैसा मिल जाता है bro, so don't worry about पैसे. And then there is this question from Barika Ginny. The person is asking, can you guide us on how to take admission in private BMS colleges and which private college is good? Like, if you have eligibility score in NEET and you want to get into a private school, I would definitely ask you to do your research first, because look in the Google and look at the infrastructures, facilities that are available in that college, and make a priority list first. And then if you want to save a little bit of your amount, then I would definitely ask you to go to the college directly. Do not go through any mediators, because mediators will take money from you people and also from college. So you can save that money from others. And also they misguide most of the times. Like, I have so many friends who have told me about this thing, like they regret going to that college through mediators, and after your admission is being done, there is no chance you're going back, there is no chance they are returning your money. So I would definitely request you to go to that college, according to priority list, go to that college, or ask your neighbor, ask your relatives living near this place to go to that college in person and look for it, and then take admission. Don't jump into conclusions looking at the Google or whatever stuff you find on internet. So go in person and search for the college. So other than this, if you have any kind of doubts, please let me know in the comment section, or also you can reach out to me on my Instagram at Kapil_Shrigiri. I'll be mentioning the link in the bio or the description, so please kindly comment there. And also thank you so much for 321 subscribers. Thank you so much. Have a great day.